A raid on a flat where the alleged mastermind of the Paris attacks was thought to be is now over. The siege began in the early hours of this morning and lasted more than 6 hours. This semi-naked man was seen being led away from a building. Wearing no pants and with his hands behind his back, he is taken away from the scene by officers. It's thought he is one of 7 people to have been arrested so far. During the raid in the suburb of St-Denis, a female suspect wearing a suicide vest reportedly blew herself up. The focus of the operation was said to be the alleged mastermind of Friday's attacks that killed 129 people. Abdelhamid Abaoud, a 27-year-old Belgian of Moroccan origin, was originally suspected of organising Friday's attacks from Syria. The fate of Abaoud remains unclear. SWAT teams launched the pre-dawn raid and surrounded the apartment block around 4:30 this morning. Shortly after, explosions and gunfire were heard. The site of the siege was around a mile from the Stade de France, one of the locations that was targeted in the attacks.